Nigeria can no longer afford another era of economic waste. The time to act is now. Undoubtedly, the mismanagement of Nigeria's oil sector has become worse under the leadership of Kyari. If there are doubts about his incompetence before, this current scandal of unnecessary fuel importation should erase them completely. Under his watch, fuel importation continues despite local refining capacity. Refineries' production are illusions without evidential proof of production. NNPCL remains shrouded in secrecy, refusing to disclose the true state of fuel subsidies. Forests continue to be wasted on unnecessary imports. Public confidence in the transparency of NNPCL operation has completely collapsed. It is now painfully obvious that Kyari lacks the integrity and ability to manage NNPCL effectively. If President Tinubu's administration is serious about economic reforms, then NNPCL must be reformed and handed over to competent leadership. We, the concerned citizens of Nigeria, call on Mr. President to immediately review the management of NNPCL and appoint individuals with the integrity and competence needed to put Nigeria's oil sector back on the right track. Given the seriousness of this issue, we make the following urgent demands. First, there must be an immediate halt to unnecessary fuel importation. Nigeria must stop importing fuel when Dangote refinery is fully operational. Second, there must be full transparency on fuel subsidy payments. If NNPCL is still subsidizing fuel, then Nigerians deserve to know the truth. Third, a mandatory policy should be put in place to prioritize indigenous refineries. The federal government must direct all public procurement, all public fuel procurement to local refiners before considering any imports. Fourth, there must be accountability for NNPCL's mismanagement. Kyari must be held responsible for policies that have wasted forex and hurt Nigeria's economy.